Hi everyone, this is Mr. No. Today I will show you an interesting thing. It's called Grok. So it's an AI assistant, just like we have ChatGPT. This is developed by Elon Musk's company called XI. So if you see this, it is different from other other products like ChatGPT because it provides real-time information from Twitter, now known as X. So I'll show you how it works. So you can create any images using this, just like you create with the ChatGPT, DALL-E and other tools. You can also refine your writing using this. You can get real-time information from X. So there might be different posts, there might be different trends in the Twitter, that is X. You can get all this information. You can stay up to date that ways. So you can also study smarter. You can upload some information and get out some information out of it. So let's look at how it works. So I'll click on open. So now I have, this is one of the prompts which was I have put it earlier. So let me try to change it. So now you see here. Now I'll say any news I can get, right? Get latest news about Kumbh Mela. Okay, so this is something which is happening right now. I'll say enter. So get latest, I didn't even put it correctly. I said get latest news. So it's saying there is 25 pages, 43 posts about Kumbh Mela in Twitter, that is X. The latest news regarding to the Kumbh Mela include significant updates from Prayagraj. So massive participation. So it is summarizing based on all these posts and pages. So here you can get almost real-time updates about any information or any happening. So I can say about get news from X about Trump policies. Okay, so I'm saying that get news about. Okay, so it has understood it. Here is an overview based on recent news and discussion. So immigration, border control. So this is a significant step forward is what I would say, because earlier it used to say, okay, I have been trained for this much period of time and I don't have information to real-time information. So this will crush all those things by providing real-time information from X. Now I'll say create an image of a couple standing on a ship deck in anime format, inspired by Van Gogh. Okay, let's see. Okay, so it is now generating images. So earlier we used to pay tons of money in other tools like Midjourney to create these kind of images. Now a lot of other players have come up like this, which allow you to create for free, and those images you can use it for free also, and these are of very high quality. If you can see here, these images are of very high quality which can be downloaded. So let me open it. See, you see this images at the bottom, it has given that Grok branding. Apart from that, it is pretty much very good. So let's create some more images. Create Van Gogh inspired image of Italy. Okay, create Van Gogh inspired image of Italy. So let's see what it comes up with. Okay, so this is Van Gogh inspired image of Italy. Are you enjoying using Grok so far? I say yes. and I can give feedback also here. So let me try to give even more difficult prompts. Create an image of a cat having tea by dipping biscuit in it and reading newspaper.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.